Welcome to Health Organizers, your digestive system specialists. In our Health Bites, we strive to provide you with just enough information to chew on so that you can properly understand how to care for your digestive system, also known as your hole in the middle. On this edition of Health Bite, we will discuss the inflammatory bowel diseases, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Now, the word bowel refers to the small intestine or the small bowel, and the large intestine is the large bowel, also known as the colon. Inflammatory diseases such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's, because both the small intestine and or the large intestine are under a state of constant inflammation. Basically, they are irritated. They may have the ulcers. If it's the ulcerative colitis, they're not able to function properly, just constantly inflamed. Now, what are the risk factors for some of the ulcerative colitis and or the Crohn's disease developing these illnesses? The risk factors could be autoimmune, meaning the body is attacking itself. It could be environmental factors, such as exposure to mercury, arsenic, other heavy metals. Could even be nutritional deficiencies. Could also be mental and emotional factors, which may cause a consistent elevation of a hormone called cortisol, which can be destructive to certain components of the bowel. So those are a few of the risk factors in developing either of those two illnesses. Symptom-wise, you can get many symptoms. You can have abdominal pain, you can have bloody diarrhea, you can have fatigue, because the small intestine particularly is the main organ that's going to help you absorb all the nutrients that you need to give you energy and to help just all of the different processes that are going on into the body. So you can have fatigue, you can see hair loss. The symptom picture can actually be varied because of just not being able to absorb the nutrients that you need. And as far as natural therapies go, one could be nutritional supplementation, but again, therapies, there are very many that are possible under natural medicine, but it will depend on finding the cause. So be sure to contact us with regard to your specific individual case. That concludes this edition of Health Bite on the inflammatory bowel diseases, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Be sure to find us on the web at healthorganizers.net, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. I'm Dr. Megan Levon, and remember, Health Organizers, working with you to tidy up your health naturally.